When I was 20, I had a automobile accident with whiplash and injury to my cervical spine, and nothing was ever done for years and years. And then Arnold's had a little seminar at the Pitt Theater on years ago, and I went just out of curiosity and ended up coming for an appointment. And my neck was at the point where when I was driving, I couldn't turn my neck to look behind me what was coming. I'd have to turn my entire body to look. So after about 6 months of his adjustments, then I was able then to turn my neck for that purpose. So I have continued to come and have adjustments, and it always makes me feel good. When I leave here, I feel good. And I've had a couple small falls, nothing serious, but whenever I do, I'd call Dr. Jason and he'd get me in and I'd have an adjustment, and whatever the problem was apparently was remedied, and I've just been very happy with that. Well, as I said before, I'm able now to turn my back and everything like that. I feel very agile for my age, and I think that's probably one of the reasons is the monthly adjustments. I guess anything that, it was all unexpected because I had never had those kind of adjustments. Years ago, I'd have those, the chiropractors that would crack your back. I'd have those a couple of times, but this was not much nicer. There's no pain to it, and I was just more comfortable doing this. Oh, everybody's pleasant, and I always like talking to Dr. Jason. We talk about what I'm doing and what he's doing and his family, and it's just a nice experience. Well, they're all different in a way. I mean, you go into a doctor's office, I can't really pinpoint one thing that's different. They're just all, I think, different from each other. The fact that I feel good, I have a whole month that I know I'm feeling good. I can dig in my flower beds. I can do my morning exercises. I can walk. I can do all the things that a lot of ladies that I know my age are not able to do anymore, and I really kind of give credit to these monthly adjustments that I have with Dr. Jason. I think he's great. He listens to when I have something that I want him to pay a little bit of special attention to and that sort of thing. He listens to me, and I just always feel good when I leave here.